Hi, in this video I will show you three more formulas. So I put them into other question tab. Also focused on sine and cosine, but they are pretty easy to apply. We just have a look of them. Okay. Here it is. Sine alpha cosine beta equals 1/2 sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta. So there are three problem tabs: sine, cosine, sine, sine, and cosine, cosine. Okay. We just want to be careful about what's following, sine or cosine, and what's the plus or minus here. Okay. Not difficult, but need to be careful. Let's see problem. Okay. Integration sine 3x cosine 7x. The key point here is I want to know when should I use this formula, right? It's because here sine focused on 3x, cosine focused on 7x. 7 is different with 3x, right? So if these two parts are different, I probably want to use my formula, which indicates alpha and beta. They are different. Okay. I wish it's clear. And for example, if I say integration sine 3x cosine 3x dx, I just simply can use substitution, right? So that I could solve it. But if they are different, like 3x and 7x here, I need to use this formula. And be careful here, sine and cosine, they both carry power 1, okay, 2 ones. It's not high power. It's not high power thing. Okay, so my first step is want to find alpha and beta. Go back to my formula. Alpha equals 3x, beta equals 7x, right? The idea is I want to rewrite my question into using formula. So rewrite it. This equals 1/2 sine alpha plus beta 3x plus 7x plus sine alpha minus beta 3x minus 7x dx, right? I rewrite this part into formula. So you can multiply the 1/2 in 1/2 sine 10x plus this and the sine negative 4x dx. Or I multiply this 1/2 in. So I don't need this. I want to split it out. 1/2 sine 10x plus 1/2 sine negative 4x dx. Okay, so we want to know this sine alpha equals negative sine negative alpha, or say this way, sine negative alpha equals negative sine alpha. Okay, this is easier. So I surely want to consider this negative sign, okay, for sine, SIN. Cosine negative alpha is cosine alpha itself. So for cosine, I don't need to consider the negative sign, okay? So I rewrite it into sine. I can compute here, which is negative cosine 10x by 1/10. And then this part, put the negative sign out, minus 1/2. Okay, I take one more step to make it clear. it is here, right? Take negative. Negative 1/20 cosine a cosine 10x minus 1/2 negative cosine 4x by 1/4 plus c. Okay, so negative 1/20 cosine 10x plus here negative sign, right? 1/8 cosine 4x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Pretty straightforward. Lower power, which means both carries power to 1, and then 3x is different with 7x. Find out alpha, beta, plug in. Okay, so let's see next one. Again, it's sine goes to this formula. Apply formula. Cosine alpha is 5x, beta is 7x. So it's 5x minus 7x minus cosine 5x plus 7x dx. And this is I separate it now. Cosine negative 2x dx minus 1/2 cosine 12x dx. Right? Remember, for cosine, negative alpha equals cosine alpha, right? So 1/2 cosine 2x dx, which equals this part, and minus 1/2, I can compute it, sine 12x by 1/12. So 1/2 sine 2x by 1/2 minus 1/24 sine 12x plus c. Okay, simply 1/4 here. 12x plus c. Okay, so this is my answer. It's not difficult. Just apply formula. Pretty straightforward, I think. Let's see this one, the last one. Cosine, right? So alpha equals x, beta equals 2x. Formula 1/2 cosine x, okay, this x plus 2x plus cosine x minus 2x. It looks like alpha. That is 2x dx, and then 1/2 cosine 3x plus cosine, here is a negative x, right? But it also equals just x, so dx. Okay, separate it into 1/2 cosine 3x dx plus 1/2 cosine x dx, and then it is 1/2 sine 3x by 1/3 plus 1/2 just sine x plus c. Okay, so this is my answer. You surely can multiply this into 1/6, but it's fine, I put it here. Okay, so pretty straightforward, and just find alpha, beta, and apply in, rewrite, solve it. So okay, this is this part. See you in my next video. Next video should be secant and tangent. Okay, bye bye.